Okay, so hi dear Aries, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general no contact reading for all the Aries and Moon Venus rising from today till the 11th of May. Okay, roles can be reversed also, and action can be from your side also. Not resonating, not your story, honey. Want to be a reader like me or for personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love course, two links are given below in the description box. So let's start. Aries, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. We have the Justice, the Queen of Cups, and the Knight of Pentacles. This is somebody who feels like they should keep their emotions to themselves. They are feeling stuck in the situation for sure, and they're not able to let go of this situation, and it's not easy for them because there's still a lot of emotions involved in the situation. But according to them, they feel like doing the right thing, and the right thing according to them is to keep their emotions to themselves and keep moving ahead, even if it feels impossible, even if it feels like this is very very slow moving on. They feel like moving on towards a better future from the situation actually, but there are still a lot of emotions in the situation from their side, and they're feeling completely stuck. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the Death card, the Seven of Wands, the Temperance. Their intention is to let go of the obstacles and challenges and slowly but surely preparing for some kind of coming back and coming back together, or at least being in connection with each other. But they want to patiently wait for the time when they will be able to do that on a conscious level. They just don't want to do it in any kind of rush or hurry or in any kind of impulse. But definitely this person wants to remove the obstacles or challenge from the situation so that they can come forward towards you with this kind of patient kind of energy of, okay, now we can work on this, now we can like make it move forward or something like this. So this is somebody who wants to patiently wait for the right time to do something about the situation in a healed manner, in a patient manner, and letting go of all the obstacles and challenges, all the ifs and buts and everything. Okay, blockages. Let's see what's coming forward towards it till the 11th of May, if any kind of action is happening from this person's side whatsoever. We have the Judgment card, the Tower, and the Eight of Cups. Now, right now, they're very much focused on this energy of letting it go. Right now, this person is not at all focused on coming back together and making it work out or doing something about the situation. They are very focused on the idea of letting it go, moving on towards calmer water, moving on towards a better future. Even if there are lots of emotions, they are choosing to let it go because according to them they have suffered enough and you have suffered enough in the situation. There's nothing left in the situation that can be resolved, at least for the time being, and they are in this energy of unexpectedly taking the decision of letting it go and moving on, at least physically, and they're trying their best to let it go energetically too. That's the deal. Hmm. For you, the guidance here is the Wheel of Fortune. It's all about divine timing, Aries. If this situation, this person, this connection is meant for you, this will come back around. I don't know when. Divine timing, the Wheel of Fortune, when it comes to the timing card, timing energy, it's all about divine timing. We never know, right? So if there's a if in the situation, if this is meant for you, this will come back around. But if you're going to wait for this situation to come back around and you're not going to do anything about your own self growth, self love, self care, and healing, you are going to remain stuck in the situation forever, and it is never going to come back around the way it should. Because a coming back around, a proper reconciliation on a deeper level, needs a lot of healing from both the sides. So the guidance here is let it go. If it is meant to be, it will come back around. If it is not, you got the lesson, you got the blessings. Keep moving ahead. Do not look back. It's as simple as that. Yes, it's easier said than done. I literally can understand this point. but trust me, this is what I'm getting for you guys. And that, like, tarot is all about energies. It's not about what other person is going to do for 1000%. Every person have a free will and they are going to act accordingly, right? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.